The way that scientists predict the reasons the Earth is behaving regarding climate change is crucial. These records are established by looking back from older records in certain areas and input and output climate models. Once scientists find patterns, then they are able to establish the relevance to today's environment. These predictions do not predict the forecast of the weather, rather the effect that the climate will have on Earth after a long period of time. There are 3 types of droughts. One refers to soil moisture, another describes a conflict in runoff, and the third type, a meteorological drought, happens after weeks of dry weather. This type of weather is harmful for farmers and their crops in the United States. In the next few years, abnormally dry weather is projected to become the new standard of weather for some regions. Since 2011, the United States has experienced a high volume of meteorological droughts. Because scientists are undecided about the effects of this kind of drought, it's been hard to decide what to do about them, but it is agreed that human intervention has had some effect on the severeness. The most notable drought occurring right now is in California. It started in 2011. Rainfall was little to none from years 2011 to 2014 due to high pressure in the atmosphere. The insanely dry weather caused many wildfires that spread across the western United States forests. Under current climate conditions, it seems that the continual drought will remain until the end of the century.